Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Snip quickly. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to summon the toolbar. This shortcut is faster than hunting menus. Once visible, choose a capture mode: rectangular for precise areas, window to grab an app, full screen to capture everything. Make sure Snip has permission to save clips and you have the active window you want. You do this because mode choice determines selection behavior and image quality. Starting here gets you into the actual capture workflow without delay. Once you've selected a region, the tool copies the image to the clipboard and shows a notification. Click it to open the Snip editor for edits. You can paste immediately into documents with Ctrl plus V if you prefer speed. In the editor, use the pen and highlighter for annotations, crop to refine framing, and then use Save As to export PNG or JPG. Make sure to name files clearly and pick a folder. This prevents lost screenshots and keeps versioning tidy. To finish, decide whether to share directly or save first. Hit Share in the editor or copy to clipboard and paste into chat or an email. Once done, check Snip settings to enable copy to clipboard, set a capture delay, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the editor link. If Snip fails to open, make sure Windows is updated, the keyboard shortcut isn't reassigned, and screen capture permission is enabled under privacy. If issues persist, restart Windows. That often resolves transient conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.